Good day everyone. Y'all, I am working the night shift tonight, which is a perfect time to do my face. That's when I like to do my reviews because our nights are busy and we get to move around and you get to see the true makeup of the makeup. So what I wanted to do today, because I noticed some similarities in these two foundations. Check the breakdown. So the Juvias I Am Magic, we all seen tons of reviews by now. It's a velvety matte foundation. First active ingredient is water, as well as the Makeup Forever velvety matte foundation, which came out last year, active ingredient in water. So with the properties being similar, and that's not the only ingredient they have in common, I'm gonna do one side of my face with the Juvias and one side with the Makeup Forever velvety matte, because I did want this by Y505 and my shade was never available at that particular Sephora and I never ordered it. So let's get the makeup on. A full breakdown of the Juvia's Place foundation. So I don't really have to go in detail, but what I would do is I'll leave my detail review. I'm in the shade Burkina, and a little bit of Juvia's go a long way. Now they go on matte and they settle matte, but throughout the day, if you're combo oily or oily, your natural oils are going to eventually come through, which is going to give you what I think they mean by that velvety matte or a demi matte, sort of speak, type of look. But you know what, I like a demi matte because that CoverGirl True Matte Made blend on me is a demi matte, and this is just about the review, the pros, the cons, what I notice. We know she is full coverage. Look at this side and this side already. Okay, so Burkina is on and looking flawless. Primer of the day, the BH Cosmetics Mattifying Primer. I'm super moisturized on top of this primer. I don't do mattes on top of mattes on top of mattes. And on the other side, we're going to take the Velvety Smooth and Y505. Now, off the bat, I can tell you this one is creamier. Just looking at it, is creamier. She's thick as well. I don't think I remember on any reviews anybody saying how thick the consistency is, but she is, which I did not mean to put all that under my eye, because I'm going to go in with the Juvia's concealer, and then on this side I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever full coverage concealer. Dried down. She's looking a little more reddy golden, and Y505 is more of a true golden from what I'm looking at in the monitor and in my side mirror. I don't know if y'all can see it, but maybe that's because Burkina has dried. I can already tell y'all this side Juvia's is redder. Juvia's has gotten darker. Nonetheless, let's get the concealers on. My initial review with Juvia's Concealer 11 was way too light. This is 13, which is a little more golden, like I like. Like, what the? Tell me I just saying did that. Y'all, that was supposed to be the Makeup Forever concealer side. Damn. Okay, so I had to kind of start over and pat out. I got concealer shade 13 by Juvia's under this eye. I accidentally put on the Juvia's concealer over this side. I got smear marks because I had to wipe it off. But nonetheless, we're going to fix that. And I'm going to go in with this eye with the Makeup Forever full coverage concealer. So the Makeup Forever I have in shade 14. Now. This is super creamy, but this is not giving me that highlighted effect like I like. Blurring good for the pores. I guess I just gotta set lighter because this is a little bit darker. I had that light way too bright. Being that I don't really like to set, cake, bake, I have my setting powder concoction here, and we just gonna tap lightly. It's still real hot outside, y'all. But I like to go from the car to the building, in the building to work, okay, back to the car. I'm done. Just some pale pinks on the face. As you can see, it is 4:50 p.m. I have to be there work at 6. By the time I run some other errands, I should be back in front of this camera about midnight, and we'll see. My right, your left. Juvia's, my left, your right. Makeup Forever. Let's get this battle on the way. Okay, y'all, I'm off from work. It is 10:34 p.m. I thought I had to go by Walmart and do my coupon visit, which would I got home at midnight, but I do not, and I have to work early in the morning. Your left is Juvias Burkina, right? My left, your right, is the Makeup Forever Velvet Matte and Y505 and the full coverage concealer. And I'm thinking, if you're thinking what I'm thinking and you can't see a significant difference, you're absolutely right. Upon putting this foundation on, the Juvias did go on a little bit redder, but it is for my undertone. And at the end of the day, see what I mean when I said it settles and you get a velvety matte? It is true to what it said. So is the Makeup Forever Y505. For $49 to run out and get it when I already have the Juvias, which was $28, is going to be a no. Because by the time you highlight and put your powders on, you can finesse it. That's just my opinion. The ingredient list, the same major players. You got the methicone, trimethicone, glycerin, all that good stuff. One might have a little more, one might have a little less, but nonetheless, both have a velvety matte finish. My highlight and everything is still holding in place, and I like it. Outside was hot today, but as you can see, velvety matte to me is the way to go because you don't get a lot of transfer. My concealers, my powders, everything held in place. So to me, this is a dead on tie, y'all. Nonetheless, I do like the Makeup Forever one. So if y'all have this foundation and you didn't think about comparing them, ooh, Lord, look at the wig. Let me know and let me know. Did y'all look at the ingredient list and all that and all that? And I gotta wash my face because I gotta get up and do this. See y'all next video. Something interesting happened at checkout. The person before me, the young lady, was trying to hand them their coupons. Like, here you leave.